Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find the sound ID on Roblox. Copy song ID. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So all you have to do is to go to the create section right here. Then once you click on the create section, it's going to redirect you to this page. And so it's going to send you to the store. Click on the store on the left section right there. Once you click on the store, it's going to show you this page. And all you have to do is to select audio. Once you select on the audio, it's going to redirect to this page. And so from here, if we would like to check any specific sound, then there are genres, or you can search for one yourself. So I'm going to choose electronic. And so there's going to be many sounds right here. Listen to any of them that you would like. Once you find the one that you like, click on the right click right here. And as you can see, there is now more information about it and click on more info. Once you click on the more info, you can see right here in the top link, there's a small code next to the asset right there. Simply highlight it and then right click and then copy. Now you have the sound ID. If you'd like to add it to Roblox Studio, go to your Roblox Studio, open your project, and then from here in the project, go to your workspace, click on the plus sign, search for sound, click on sound. Now from here in the sound, you're going to scroll down until you see the asset. And as you can see, there is sound ID. Make sure the sound is highlighted. And then from here, going to right click and then click on paste. And now you have that ID instantly in your project. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.